Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Renji and this is my crochet channel where I show you some interesting stitches that I have come across and I have used them in some of my patterns. Today I will be showing you how to make a 2-loop yarn over slip stitch. I use this stitch mainly when I have done a short row and then I return and I want to blend that short row into the main pattern. Let me show you what I mean. Now here I have done a few rows of yarn over slip stitch. If you don't know how to do a yarn over slip stitch, I'll share a link below. So let's do a short row. Short row is basically when you have not done a complete row and you have stopped midway. So I will be doing, let's see, 5 yarn over slip stitch. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'll just do 4. Okay, let's do 5. Done 5. Now I will not go to the end of this row. I will turn my work, chain 1, and I will go back to the end of the row. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now if I want to include this, if I want to blend this short row into the rest of my design, this is what I will do. Slip stitch 1 2 3 4 5. Now next what I will do is I will go, can you see this loop, the chain 1 from the previous row? I will insert my hook through that, yarn over, go through the back loop of the next stitch, pull 1 2 3. I will slip stitch through all the 3 stitches. Do you see this? Maybe let me work one more stitch, one more. So let's do another short row, right? Did you see how this combined or blended into the main pattern? Let's do one more. All right, chain 1. So now I have done a short row. I have left out this last stitch, chain 1. I flip my work, I work back to the end of the row. This is a very beautiful pattern. I love to use this in cowls and in hats. I think it's very simple and the effect it gives is just amazing. Okay, the last one. Okay, now let's go back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, the last one. Now what do? We work into the chain 1 from the previous row, pull a loop into the back loop of the next stitch, pull yarn and work through the 3 loops. I love it when this comes together. I just love it. Oh, so beautiful. Do you see this? Oh, so pretty. I just can't stop looking at it. I hope you enjoyed learning this stitch and I hope you get a chance to use it in some pattern. If you loved it, leave a comment.